Welcome to this video. Today I'm going to take a look at the Zendure AC2400, a home battery that you can use to store energy and use it more efficiently in your house. First, I'll show you the device itself. We'll look at the design, what it looks like, and of course the different connections on the unit. The AC2400 has several ports that allow you to connect it to your home, installation, and other devices. After that, we'll take a look at the Zendure app. In the app, you can see exactly what the battery is doing, how much energy is being charged, how much is being used, and which settings you can adjust. You can also create scenarios so the battery automatically responds to your energy usage. One interesting feature is that you can connect the AC2400 to the HomeWizard P1 meter. This allows the battery to see how much power your house is using and respond to it. However, in my experience, the P1 sometimes goes offline. Because of that, the scenarios you create with it don't always work reliably. That's why I usually use a fixed setup. I've configured specific times when the battery is allowed to charge and when it can discharge power back to the house. For me, this has been the most stable and predictable setup. Here, I'll also show how this looks in Home Assistant. After adding it to Home Assistant, you can clearly see when the battery is charging, whether it's from the solar panels or from the grid, and when it is sending energy back to the house. You can also connect the AC2400 to Home Assistant via mqtt. This allows you to create even more automations and integrate it with the rest of your smart home.